Hey guys, welcome back to tenorshare. Want to move everything or part of your data from Android to iPhone without wiping your iPhone? Then skip the move to iOS app. Today, I'll show you a smarter way to transfer everything safely. Let's jump in. Here I will use my iPhone 16 to show you guys. As you can see, my iPhone 16 is already been used for a while, and I got quite a lot of data on it, which I don't want to erase. So when I try to transfer the data, I will use iTransGo. iTransGo excels in efficient data transfers, data safety, and software stability. It supports large amounts of data transfer in no time. You can find the free download link in the description below. Let's see how to use it. Just connect both phones to your computer. Click OK and Allow. Go to the Android to iOS section and click Start. Then follow the prompts to enable USB debugging on your Android. If it did not shown on your phone, you can follow the on-screen guide to open the USB debugging on Android. This allows your device to communicate with your computer for advanced operations. All you need to do is open Developer Mode to enable USB debugging. Then you can start the transfer process. Select the data you want to transfer, and then transfer them. With just a few steps, your data will be transferred and your phone will not be erased. Everything will be exactly where you expect it. Now we can see we got everything from the old Android, and nothing was lost on my iPhone 16. It is practical and efficient. If you want to transfer WhatsApp data, you can check out the video I linked here. Okay, if you found this video helpful, get a free download in the description to support us. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you, and see you next time.